I tried to be Bahubali, but I couldn't. But you can be Bahubali because I'm going to share you the secret diet recipe of Bahubali. Now, Bahubali is all over the place. It has broken all box office records. In the market there is Bahubali jewelry, Bahubali sari, Bahubali kurtas, and I know you're interested in knowing what did Bahubali and that mighty Kattappa ate. Yes, now the kingdom of Maheshmati in the movie is set in the present-day Rayalaseema, which is in Telangana, that is the former Andhra Pradesh. In Rayalaseema, a very nutritious dumpling is eaten which is called Sangati, made out of ragi, that is Indian millet flour. And in Bahubali 1, you can see Kattappa collecting Sangati in a plate. And this is exactly shown in the movie, that Bahubali and Kattappa are eating Sangati. And today we are going to share with you the recipe of how to make this Bahubali dish called Sangati. To make Sangati, we need 3 cups of ragi, that is Indian millet flour, which is also called as Nachnika atta. 1 cup of rice. 1 teaspoon of ghee, that is Indian clarified butter. Salt as per taste, 500 ml or 1 glass of water. I have placed a heavy bottom pan to heat on a medium flame. In the pan, add water. To the water, add half teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste. Once the water starts boiling, wash the rice and add the washed rice to the water. Let the rice get cooked in the water. My rice has started to cook. With the help of the spoon or ladle, try to mix the rice and mash it. Just check the rice, take a little rice. The rice is become soft. There is little water left in the rice. Now it is the time to add the millet flour, that is the Nachnika atta or ragi. After adding the flour to the cooked rice, place the lid over it and lower down the flame. When you add the flour to the rice, do not mix it at once. Place the lid and let the flour get a little moist in the flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid and mix everything together. Mix everything together nicely, and with the help of the spoon, mash the rice. This is now done. Switch off the gas. We will now shape the mixture. To shape the mixture, take any stainless steel or any plastic bowl. To the bowl, add a drop of clarified butter, that is ghee or oil. Nicely spread the oil or ghee in the bowl. Now take the Sangati and put it inside the bowl. Fill the bowl and level it inside the bowl. Put all the contents in the bowl and flatten it nicely. Take a plate, place the plate over the bowl like that and turn it. Beat it nicely from all sides and then slowly demold the Sangati. Our Sangati is ready to be eaten. This can be eaten with any chicken or mutton curry, or if you are a vegetarian, you can eat this with any South Indian chutney, or then with the Andhra style spinach dal, that is Andhra style palak dal. I can be Bahubali, I cannot be Bahubali. I can be Bahubali. Yes, I can be Bahubali because I'm planning to eat this Sangati, and I hope you will try this Sangati out too. And if you've still not watched the movie Bahubali, go watch it. Right now, you just cannot afford to miss Bahubali. And yes, if you've still not subscribed to Culture Recipe, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon that is just right below the video. Eat local, stay healthy till we meet next time. Bye.